Hello friends, this is me. Today I have come to attend a birthday program. This is a birthday boy's mom and he is the main cook. One cook. Hello madam, please stand up. He is the second cook for this program and head cook was Koina Mai. Okay friends, let's have a look what's they're cooking for this program. And first is fish curry with gravy, and next maybe they will fry some chips here, and this pulse curry, cake, and mixed vegetables. This is fish intestines with fats, and cakes. Maybe this is spice. This is birthday cake for birthday boy named Tuhin Singha. Because I have come late, already cut up this cake. These all children are birthday boy's friend and some sisters. They are eating rice and they're all enjoying with this birthday boy. Hello friends.
Hello friends.
This is our birthday boy and his name is
Tuhin Singha. I am 9 years old. I am studying in class 4.
And next one is
Yankee
Barun.
I am 9 years old.
Oh, that's great. And our birthday boy is playing with the ball. He get a gift as a gift, a ball. And he is now so tired. And he interested to play with that ball. And thank you friends.
Like
Bye bye. And please follow me. Please subscribe my channel, YouTube channel. Subscribe.
Subscribe.
And our uncle's YouTube channel.
Our uncle's YouTube channel. 1 million likes.
Bye bye.
Bye. Good night.
Good night. Hello friends. Today I want to say
Finally, we all are sitting
boy's
having
gift.
food because already
What
it's late.
he will get as a gift. So first one is chocolate. This is a gift from me. Okay. This is 5 chocolate. Maybe dairy milk.
Chocolate, dairy milk and milk bar.
This is my gift. The next one is
this.
this
and
cup.
This.
This cup and one small teddy from Kosi. Oh, our Holdibaria. It's nice. Great. Kopen Singha. And next one is
This.
one more cup. A big cup from
Rosmi.
Rasmi.
Rosmi.
Who is Rasmi? I don't know.
Ask she.
Oh, really? Her mom.
No.
So, who is Rasmi?
Rosmi.
Who is Rasmi? Oh, your friend. Your student tuition. Oh, from Rasmi. And next one is this ball from Yankee's father. He brought this ball for Tuhin as a birthday gift. And Yankee is there is Yankee Burman,
He is doing experiment.
and very good gift. And next one is
Einstein.
next one.
Done.
Done. You're from your uncle.
No.
Okay, so that's for all today, and he get a gift. And okay, friends, bye.
Like the channel.
There is Yankee. Yankee, you want to say something? You want to say something? Please,
Like the channel.
please subscribe. Our uncle's channel. Please subscribe our uncle's
Please
channel.
subscribe.
Uncle's channel.
Uncle's channel.
Okay, thank you, bye bye.
Bye bye, Tata. अगली बार मिलेंगे।
बाय बाय।